Let's discover Pune City's Zero Milestone. The Zero Milestone, which shows the exact geographical location of Pune on the world map, was erected in 1872 to 73 as part of the Great Trigonometrical Survey during the British era. In front of the General Post Office on Sadhu Vaswani Road, Pune. During the British period, it is recorded that the distance of Solapur, Ahmednagar, Nashik, Purandar, Alandi, Sinhagad, Paud and Bangalore around Pune was measured from this stone. When was this stone erected? A large trigonometric survey project was started on the 10th of April 1802 by William Lampton, an infantry officer in the East India Company, as part of this survey. With the main objective of facilitating revenue collection and making accurate topographic maps of the whole of India. Zero milestones were erected in 80 cities under British rule across the country. How is milestone zero determined? Zero Milestone is known as the geographical center of the city. Zero Milestone is useful for accurate information about the exact distance of cities from each other, height of land above sea level, geographical structure, rivers, drains.